Welcome to my channel. Before we start our magic knot tutorial, if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order to get notified every time we upload videos. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the magic knot. This can be used for changing colors or connecting the same color together. So first of all, I'm going to use two different colors so that it's easy to demonstrate. Let's start from the sides. You want to bring the ends together. Bring this end underneath and then over the top. So you have a little loop like this. Bring it through the loop and that will create a knot. Pull it nice and tight on that knot. Now the other side. Bring this over the top and underneath. And then bring it through that loop. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure both of these knots are nicely tied. Then pull both the ends and bring both the knots together in the middle. Snip off the yarn really close as you can. And pull it nice and tight again. And here goes your magic knot. Thank you for watching. Please do let us know in comments if you liked the video.